Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jayne. Happy birthday to you.
So we've had, well, I definitely had, I've definitely had an amazing birthday today. I'm looking a little flushed, but we've had the most amazing dinner in Epicurean, which is one of the specialist restaurants on here.
Chic and
Amazing, absolutely amazing, and Shireen and Freddie looked after us fantastically. Someone couldn't decide on what dessert he wanted, so Freddie bought him both.
No, get it right. So there were two desserts. One was a creme brulee, the other one was like banana and peanut butter.
Two desserts that you couldn't choose between. There were about 5 desserts.
So what Freddie, who was one of the servers, did was he says, for your birthday, I'll get you the creme brulee. So we both had the peanut butter cannelloni, banana and peanut butter cannelloni, which was really nice.
We had an amazing day. We started off with champagne breakfast, and then we did the sherry and royal horses trip, and that is in Cadiz.
It was in Cadiz, but then Cádiz, because it's got an accent
over the A. We were told
as well as the
Cádiz. So we went there, did the royal horses first, and watched the Andalusian horses in the training for the dressage, and learned a lot about that. And then from there we went to the winery where they make the Tío Pepe.
Yep. Which apparently translates to Uncle Joe.
Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe.
I think it's quite funny.
Tío Pepe.
And you've got the 3 main ones. The Pinot, which is the lowest alcohol percentage, is like 15% for it, and it's the very dry, like wine style sherry. Then you've got the
medium
Ernesto, I think it's called Ernestos, which is sort of as you said, a medium. Still 18%, very dry,
18%,
but that was 18%, and it's a bit of a darker colour. And then you've got the Solera, and that's a darker colour.
Like a cream sherry. That's
they call it the cream.
That was really nice. I like that one.
Yeah.
I'm not a sherry drinker, but I decided to try them all.
It was great because as soon as you're walking through where they've got the barrels and stuff for it, it's just like super sweet smell, like really nice, and you can smell the beeswax from the barrels and stuff. And
you said you could smell it. I couldn't smell it.
I could.
But it's if you are in this area, it is well worth a tour of the winery.
Yeah.
It's absolutely amazing. We'll put the names of them because I'm sorry I can't remember them. It's been
I think it was
day.
like.
Don't try and guess, you'll upset somebody.
Diaz.
We will put the name and the pictures on here as well. But yeah, it was absolutely amazing. Insert name. We came back to the cabin to find that the cabin steward had made us a lovely little towel sculpture. I don't know what you call them. Can you turn it around? Does it turn around?
Yeah, it can do. So just a second, I'm just going to flip this around. So that is the little sculpture.
That's me on a spa day.
And it's a little spa day person.
And I've had a card as well.
And there's a cat card. Yeah.
Oh, you've got the card.
Yeah. So that's the card.
So we've got another show booked later on, so we've just eaten dinner, and then we're going to Headliners to see now the original person had to cancel, unfortunately, So there's a replacement, and it's a pianist with who's going to be singing, obviously, and playing the piano. So we'll go and see that in a little while.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're now heading to Portugal, to Lisbon. Thank you. I'm terrible with directions. Fabulous birthday. The big 6-0. And I'm feeling it at the moment because I'm feeling very tired. But
you don't look it.
Thank you. What, tired or 60?
Both.
It's been an amazing day. The staff are amazing here, but not many people know me lost for words, but I'm lost for words. So we'll leave it there, and the next one will be tomorrow morning in Lisbon.
Yep. So we'll
night.
call it there.
Good night.